Hi everyone, Stefan here, Head of Product Development at QuietCat, here to introduce the revolutionary new technology, VPO, Variable Power Output. Historically, e-bikes come with only one class, Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, or unclassified. Today, I'm going to show you VPO, allowing you, with the touch of a button, to set your class. When you're on restricted use areas, switch the bike to classified mode. That's Class 1, Class 2, or Class 3, depending on the jurisdiction of that trail. When you need that power and that torque to haul the heavy loads on private land or Forest Service trails, switch it to unlimited mode. With VPO, you can now have the best of both worlds. Power when you want it and compliance when you need it. Now I'll walk you through how it works. So you'll receive your bike with the new class change VPO software. It'll boot up in Class 2. You can tell based on the Class 2 indicator here on the bottom left. The new screen shows the class on the bottom left, the PAS level, Eco, Trail, and Boost in the middle, and the throttle status on the right. To change your class, double tap the I to get into the settings menu. Single tap to select, use the plus and minus to toggle through, I to select, plus and minus to toggle through. In this case, I'll go to unlimited mode. Double tap I to return to the home screen. And now you'll notice that the power goes up to 1500 watts on the display. The mode is unlimited, boost, and the throttle is enabled. The class options are unlimited, Class 3, Class 2, and Class 1. You'll notice in Class 1, the throttle is disabled. Another feature with the VPO is the ability to adjust the pedal assist mode. Toggle into the settings, scroll down to PAS mode, and you can toggle between cadence and torque sensing. On our full suspension bikes, torque sensing is the default. On our hardtails, cadence sensing is the only option. Selecting torque has no effect. So what does this mean for you? Well, let's run through a story. Say you leave your house, you got all your hunting gear on your bike, you set it to Class 2 mode, bike down the bike lane to the trailhead. When you get to the trailhead, it may have no restrictions. Toggle it to unlimited and you can buzz off into the backcountry at full speed. Two key things. One, the bike must be at a complete standstill before you can change your class. This is for safety and enforceability reasons. The second thing, always check with your local regulations before you go for a ride. Whether it's private land, public land, the bike path, a bike lane, take your adventures farther with VPO.